you want me to take your jacket?
No.
You don't only get a haircut.
I did, yeah, but I want the new one. I want like Ronaldo's hair.
Ronaldo.
Yeah. Sue.
You sure?
Yeah, hurry up. I'm going to a party tonight.
All right. All right. Done. What you think?
1 sec, just send the message there, yeah? What's your name?
Ben.
What's that?
Ronaldo.
What Ronaldo was that?
2002 World Cup Ronaldo.
I wanted Cristiano Ronaldo.
Then why didn't you ask me for the Cristiano?
I shouldn't have to explain myself. And if I ask for a Ronaldo haircut, I want the Ronaldo. Sue. That Ronaldo.
His name is Sue.
Sue.
What are you doing? Sue.
Sue.
Don't really watch football, to be honest.
Sue.
I think it suits you.
You're getting smart now.